Hi neighbor, welcome back to my channel. I'm Elle and today I'm going to do a bar makeover. I'm currently at Target just looking at things that I could actually add on to items that I bought previously. Most of the items are going to be from Target. I think there's only two things that didn't end up coming from Target that I previously purchased. I took a poll actually on Facebook to see what you wanted to see, and so here's some inspiration. So here's a preview of what it looked like prior. So right now I'm just kind of clearing everything off of the shelves. I'm going to wipe them down just so everything is nice, fresh, and clean. And then also I decided to re-screw some of the screws in because it was so heavy that it was actually loose. And these shelves came from IKEA. They were about $3 a piece. The brackets were 75 cents each, and then the shelf itself was $2.99. So this is just an overview of everything. Now I'm taking the shelves off. They're actually not secured on at the bottom. I haven't quite figured that part off, but for the most part it works perfectly fine. I don't have any issues. Once I took the shelves out, I just decided to wipe them down really nice, make sure that they're clean, free of dust, and make sure they're nice and fresh. You could also use these shelves for a more open concept for additional storage in your kitchen. So here's an overview of everything once it's clean and the shelves are back onto the wall and screwed in securely. Now I'm just going to style the shelf with cocktail glasses, the wall art that I've actually made myself. Comment down below if you want to know how I did that. Here is some glassware, some more utensils I found in the dollar section in Target. These were all $3 a piece except for the wine opener. Here's just some flavored water for aesthetic, a book about drinks, and I kind of just started styling the shelf as I went along. Also coasters that are also from Target. I think they're $8.99 a pack. These were meant to be tags for wine that you give out, but I decided to use it for wall art instead. Now that I've completely styled the shelves, I've added a candle, I've added those recipe tags, and also some hooks on the wall for the utensils for the bar, another small tray with more recipes. I hope you enjoyed part 1 of this makeover, and here's the final look. So for this one, I decided to do a additional option for people that lived in rented spaces, don't want to put all these holes in the wall. I have the best solution for you. Start off with the bar tray. It could be any kind of marble tray, some wall art, mainly everything that you use in the original, but in a smaller, more intimate setting. These glasses were actually from, I think, Home Goods. That's the only thing that I mentioned earlier that didn't come from Target, and of course the shelves as well. This is just something I decided to just make simple, no heavy duty anything, and it'll add a nice touch to it. And just start styling with the glasses, the bar towel, the coasters, adding in that glass element to put all of your utensils, and then it becomes mobile. And when people come over, you can entertain your guests, serve them drinks, make cocktails, anywhere in your home. And I think this is such a nice solution for the bar area. And you also have a nice little cocktail recipe that you can make. Here's the final look. I hope you guys love it. Thanks so much for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And come back again. Bye, neighbors.